Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by ensuring you can access the same Apple ID and two-factor method. This matters because the backup links to that account. Once you're on the setup screen after a factory reset or with a new device, choose Restore from Icloud Backup and sign in. Make sure Wi-Fi is strong and your device stays plugged in. These steps kick off the transfer, and you'll see a list of backups. Pick the most recent one that matches the device model and iOS version. Once you choose a backup, the Restore begins downloading settings and app data. This can take minutes to hours depending on size and connection speed. You'll want to re-enter passwords for the Apple ID, email accounts, and some apps during the process, since credentials are not fully restored for security reasons. Make sure to keep Wi-Fi stable and the device charging. If an iOS update is required, install it first. Then resume the restore, so app data maps correctly to the operating system. To complete, wait until apps and media finish downloading and your home screen stabilizes. Some content redownloads in the background, so be patient. Make sure to check settings for accounts, photos, and message history to confirm everything arrived. If something is missing or the restore stalls, reboot the device, try a different stable Wi-Fi network, and attempt the restore again. Alternatively, sign out of iCloud and back in. This often re-triggers pending download.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.